Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with Airtable. This integration is incredibly useful because it automatically sends your Typeform responses directly into Airtable, eliminating the need for manual data entry and keeping everything organized in one place. And if you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to typeform.com and logging in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you'll see all your existing forms displayed. From here, click on the name of the form you want to integrate with Airtable. If you don't have a form ready yet, you can create a new one right from this page, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a form set up and ready to connect. Now that you've opened your form, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on the Share button. This action will automatically publish your form if it hasn't been published already. You might need to wait a few seconds for the page to load completely, so just give it a moment while Typeform processes the publishing settings. Once the page has loaded, you'll notice several options at the top of the screen. Click on Connect at the top of the page. This is where you'll access all the integration options that Typeform offers, allowing you to link your form with various third-party applications and services. In the Connect panel, you'll see a search bar that lets you find specific integrations. Go ahead and search for Airtable in this search bar. When Airtable appears in the results, click on the Connect button next to it. This initiates the connection process between your Typeform account and Airtable. The next step requires you to authenticate your Airtable account. Click on Login to Airtable and enter your Airtable login credentials when prompted. This step is essential because it gives Typeform permission to access your Airtable bases and send data there. Once you've logged in successfully, Typeform will be able to see all your Airtable bases and tables. Now comes the important part of setting up where your data will go. Choose the specific table in your base where you want the Typeform responses to be sent. This allows you to organize your data exactly where you need it, whether that's in a customer feedback table, a lead generation base, or any other structure you've created in Airtable. After selecting your table, you'll need to map each Typeform question to an Airtable field. This is how the integration knows where to place each piece of information. Select a question from the left drop-down menu, then match it to the corresponding field in the right drop-down menu. Once you've mapped one question, click the plus, add another button to create more mappings. Continue this process until every question from your Typeform has been matched to the appropriate field in your Airtable table. Take your time with this step to ensure everything lines up correctly. Once all your mappings are complete, click the Continue button to proceed. You're almost done. The final step is to toggle the integration on in the Connect panel. This switch activates the connection, and from this moment forward, every new response submitted through your Typeform will automatically flow into your designated Airtable table in real time. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Typeform with Airtable, creating a seamless workflow that saves you time and keeps your data perfectly organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.